Back, folks, we're going to take a look here at the Samsung solid state drive. This is model number 870 EVO, and it's a SATA 2.5-inch drive. And this also maxes out pretty much the SATA technology with a read speed of 560 megabytes per second and a write speed of 530 megabytes per second. And where these come into play is a couple of different reasons. You can use it to upgrade the older hard drive on your computer to get something faster, better, newer, or these can be made into backup drives very easily as well. So a couple different options with them, either upgrading or using as a separate drive, or maybe you just got extra data you want to store or whatever it might be. So you can either install these with a regular SATA port in a desktop computer or laptop computer that has a SATA plug-in, and I'll show it to you here in a second if you're not as familiar with that. This right here, that's what it looks like. And then also too, these very easily plug into an external chassis. Now these chassis can be picked up very inexpensively. Basically it's a SATA port, and it holds the hard drive securely into place. So these 4 screw holes here, you basically screw it into the little chassis, and then it just plugs right into your computer with a regular USB plug. So that is an option you can do. They're very inexpensive. It's very easy to make a backup drive with those as well. Super easy. I have a couple of them. You know, they work great. This is a 1 terabyte drive, so you've got 1 terabyte of capacity. For most folks, I would say, you know, with regular amount of pictures, videos, whatever, data, that usually covers most folks pretty good. If you feel you need a lot more storage, then they also have the 2 terabyte drives and higher you can go to as well. But the 1 terabyte for a lot of folks, that works just fine. That's plenty of storage space, and again, you can always upgrade in the future if you so desire. But as you can see, real nice quality here. My relative that uses these to replace a lot of folks that have older hard drives in their computers. They don't want to pay for a new computer, whatever, but their hard drive is one of the old school type, traditional platter type hard drives. They're very slow, whatever, it's dragging the computer down. He uses these to upgrade the computer, transfers all their data over to the new solid state drive, and then gets them going again to where they've got a much faster computer than what they had before. So super nice hard drives. He's never had any failure issues with these either. So they've ended up working out real well. They also have an instruction book that comes with them too, so in case you do need that for additional information. But anyways, folks, really good, solid state drive, and this is a SATA drive, and it just works real well. So definitely check these out, folks. Have a good one.